Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this session we study about the attributes which are used in the graphics library application interface. So an attribute is an any property that determine how a geometric primitive is to be rendered. So attribute is a any property that determine how a geometric primitive is to be rendered. Means uh, means म्हणू शकतो आपण की ॲट्रिब्यूट ही एक प्रॉपर्टी आहे. म्हणजे जिओमेट्रिक प्रिमिटिव्हची एक प्रॉपर्टीज आहे आणि तिला कसं एंटर करता येईल, कसं अवेलेबल करता येईल त्याला, ते सांगत असते आपल्याला. ईच जिओमेट्रिक प्रिमिटिव्ह हॅज अ सेट ऑफ ॲट्रिब्यूट्स. ईच जिओमेट्रिक प्रिमिटिव्ह हॅज अ सेट ऑफ ॲट्रिब्यूट. म्हणजे प्रत्येक जिओमेट्रिक प्रिमिटिव्हसोबत सेट ऑफ ॲट्रिब्यूट्स असतात. जसं पॉईंटसोबत कलर असेल, पॉईंटची जे ॲट्रिब्यूट असतात ते कलर असेल, त्याची हाईट असेल, त्याची इंटेन्सिटी असेल. दीज आर द ॲट्रिब्यूट्स मीन्स दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ प्रिमिटिव्ह जिओमेट्रिक प्रिमिटिव्ह. So point have a attribute color. Line segments also have a color, thickness and pattern are the attributes, and polygons also have the patterns. These all are the attributes of a primitive point primitive which have a attribute color. Line segment have the color, thickness and pattern, and polygon have the patterns. So you can see here, line segment have a attribute that is a color, then dash line means pattern, then thickness, and these all are the attributes of line. Here in a figure B, this is the polygon, and a polygon have the different pattern which can be which can be shown here. So you can watch this and understand the difference and understand the attributes. Attributes are nothing but the properties of polygon of a primitive. Example: sphere approximation. A set of polygons are used to construct an approximation to a sphere. A set of polygons are used to construct an approximation to a sphere, that is longitude and latitude. याचा अर्थ असा आहे की पॉलिगॉन जर आपल्याला एखादा यूज करायचा असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एखाद्या सर्कलला, स्पेअरला कितीही अप्रॉक्सिमेशन देऊ शकतो, त्याला कितीही लॉन्जिट्यूड, कितीही लॅटिट्यूड देऊ शकतो. जसं पहा या ठिकाणी ही डायग्राम आपल्याला सांगत आहे की याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे लॉन्जिट्यूड आणि लॅटिट्यूड दाखवलेले आहे. ठीक आहे. वर्टिकल जे आहे ते लॅटिट्यूड आहे आणि हे जे आहे हॉरिझॉन्टली जे सर्कल या ठिकाणी डिफाईन केलेले आहेत ते आहे लॉन्जिट्यूड. ठीक आहे. तर हे प्रॉपर्टीज झाल्या स्पेअरच्या. ॲट्रिब्यूट्स म्हणून आपण त्याला. प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे काय? ॲट्रिब्यूट्स. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, sphere approximation. We use the quad strip primitive to approximate the sphere. We use quad strips primitive to approximate the sphere. तर याच्यामध्ये सांगितलेलं आहे की क्वॅड स्ट्रिप प्रिमिटिव्ह यूज केलं जातं स्पेअरला, म्हणजे सर्कल रिप्रेझेंट करण्यासाठी किंवा अप्रॉक्सिमेट करण्यासाठी. जसं या ठिकाणी तुम्ही पाहू शकता की लास्टमध्ये एक म्हणजे सर्वात खाली एक मोठा सर्कल आहे, त्याच्यावर एक आणखी सर्कल आहे आणि एक त्याच्यावर सुद्धा आणखी एक सर्कल आहे. तर याच्यामध्ये क्वाड्रिलॅटरल स्ट्रिप हा यूज केला जातात, क्वाड स्ट्रिप. त्यानंतर आहे एक्झाम्पल व्हाईट माय डिस्प्ले function. We start here the display gl color underscore color underscore buffer bit. Then for loop phi equals to -80 semicolon phi less than equal to 80 semicolon phi plus equal to 20.0, and then this loop is started. Gl begin gl underscore quad underscore strip phi 20 is equal to phi plus 20. phir equals to phi into 3.14159 divided by 180, that is phir 20 is equal to phi 20 into 3.14159 divided by 180. For theta is equal to -180, theta less than equal to 180, and theta plus equals to 20. end of loop, GL end. So here for approximation of square, we use the quad strip, and how quad strip are used are explained in this example. So GL plus is the and that is the example to draw this circle, this type of circle. Now the second attribute is a color. From the programmer view, the color is handled through the API. Color is handled through the application interface. There are two different approaches. We use two models to for coloring any object. That is a RGB color model and index color model. RGB color model and index color model. Index color model is easier to support in hardware implementation. Index color model is easier to support the hardware implementation. Means it can easily support the hardware implementation. That is the low memory requirement and limited limited available color. It have the limited available color. And RGB model, each color component is stored separately in the frame buffer. Each color component is stored separately in the frame buffer. For hardware independence consideration, color values range from 0.0 to 1.0 all. Means RGB model provides a rich set of colors which and each color is separately stored in the frame buffer, and for hardware independence consideration color value are range from 0.0 to 1.0. So here two models are used to color any object, that is RGB model and index color model. RGB model, we have setting operation, GL color 3F, R value, comma G value, comma B value. RGB means red value, green value and blue value. Setting operation, clear color setting, GL color clear color, in bracket R value, G value, B value and comma alpha. It will clear all the colors. Then transparency colon alpha equals to 0.0. It gives the clear transparency. Opacity colon alpha equals to 1.0. Means opacity means we can see not clearly. Okay. Now index color. Color are indexed into table of RGB values, that is GL index in bracket element, GLUT set color R value, G value and B value. Example, for K equals to M equals to 8, we can choose 256 out of 16 M colors. Means we have to use choose 256 color from a 16 megabyte colors. Okay, so this is an example. Here M bits are given, megabits. So formula is 0 to 2 raised to k minus 1. Red formula is 2 raised to m minus 1, and green 0 to 2 raised to m minus 1, and blue is a 0. Frame buffer. So this is the process to draw color onto the object screen. So frame buffer is used to store the intensity or properties attributes of the object, and it uses two color models to color the object, that is color and it have the color table, lookup table and color lookup table for each color, then red, green and blue, and then we convert, suppose this is the A in black and white, we provide it color on the screen. So that's it about the attributes of OpenGL. I think I hope you will understand. Thank you for watching.